Raspberry
So
flavorings.
why does it say raspberry flavor instead of just raspberry? We want it to taste like raspberries. Has anybody here ever eaten dehydrated raspberry powder? Doesn't taste like raspberries. But if you dehydrate strawberry powder and a little bit of turmeric and a little bit of this, you could mix them together and it actually tastes like a raspberry. And there's amazing people who sit all day just mixing organic, raw, vegan, awesome ingredients together and see what they taste like. And it's rare that a strawberry that's dehydrated actually tastes like a strawberry. If you want it to taste like a ripe strawberry, you actually have to use other types of fruits, some bark of this, you know, and that thing that we call raspberry flavor is organic, raw, vegan, an amazing thing, but because of what it takes to give the flavor profiles. Now, when you're not into raw, organic, pure, amazing foods, then you do that with chemicals, you see? So like if you get a raspberry flavor, there's no raspberries in that either, but they did the same thing. They said if we mix this chemical and that chemical and that chemical and that chemical, it'll taste like raspberry. So we just said, if you mix this phytochemical and that phytochemical, we just took out, so we're just using different chemicals, but ours are from plants because that's all things are. They're proteins, they're carbohydrates, they're fats, and so we just mix different plant flavors. So believe it or not, strawberry and lime actually taste more like raspberry than raspberry does. And if you add a little bit of something else, like a mint leaf or something, believe it or not, then it takes on the flavor of a fruit. And nobody knows why, but these chemists who are masters at this, and we're really lucky to have 2 or 3 of the best who, at our disposal. But the answer is, every ingredient is non-soy, right? Organic, plant-based, and it just so happens that we can't know exactly the secret sauce that makes it taste like raspberry, because raspberries dehydrated don't taste like raspberries.
You said to elaborate and kind of admit on why it's very different, understands why they can have anything.
It's proprietary because if you write a song, you own that song, right? And other people may play it, but they can't own it, right? And so this is somebody's intellectual property. They worked really hard for years maybe to make something taste exactly like raspberry. And if everybody knew how to do it, another company would do it and they would be making the money that this person deserves because they wrote that song. As an artist, I think you'd understand that.
I do very much. Yeah.
Yes.